Southwest Airlines. Number 128.
Everybody still here for you?
Steve, get out here. Steve didn't make it, did he?
They came up during the He's right behind it. Right behind it.
We had so much fun last Friday. I thought I'd say, well, now we're getting a little later. Just go around today. They going to the line.
Bet you they do.
I know they.
I'm not talking to her. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Those people.
Okay, look at me. Where you going? Love you.
You dropped your stuff.
You must be really good. They like to keep the cool. You tell them to keep it up there.
You see?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to get
Am I
closer.
filming now?
Yeah.
Well, it's dark. I took my finger off of it.
Just letting you see it now, Doctor.
You said something too.
Your attention, I need 4 wheelchairs to gate 15. 4 wheelchairs to gate 15.
That's
a Chicago one.
Well, it looks like that. That's the flight for Chicago.
That's not our plane.
Well, it looks just like that one.
You see, wait, next plane, that's Chicago.
Smile. You smile.
Here's my brain.
Yeah. Is that your breath? Whoa, I'm too close. I can't see it. Let's see. How long does it go? Why? Whee! Why? Let me get you one more time.
Hi.
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 Got blue braces.
That's right.
Love you.
Love you too.
Y'all have
It's not even on.
Yes, it is.
I will pre-board before I begin the general boarding. All my pre-boarders, those that are authorized, can come forth at this time, please, and line up against the wall here. I will then continue to general boarding groups of 30, 1 through 30 in my first line, 31 through 60 down the middle, and so forth. Make sure if you have not checked in with Deanna at gate 3 and received a blue colored boarding pass, you need to do so at this time, please. Once on board, it is open seating. This flight is possible to be going out completely full, but hope everyone has a wonderful time to their final destination. Once again, pre-boarding is only consists of those traveling outbound with a white colored slip over your boarding passes. That's the only pre-boards that we do take. Make sure you stand over here against the wall because my deep planning passengers, we don't want them to run you guys over. Once again, we do board in groups of 30. 1 through 30. First line here, look up above. I will have those lights on while we are boarding. 1 through 30 in my first line, 31 through 60 down the middle, and so forth.
'Cause you want to let Jack go first. Just the wheelchair. Now we got us quick to this call. Remember the whole thing that you had in there? Yeah, that's what they had. That's not big. Going for business. I think that was number. And he was born up.
Here comes their phone.
Thank you for your patience, ladies and gentlemen. We'll begin general boarding. We do board in groups of 30 by the numbers on your blue color boarding passes. We'd like to take the first boarding group. If everyone takes a moment, look overhead. We have 3 boarding lanes, numbered 1 through 30 and so on. You should be in the lane that your number corresponds with. At this time, we'll take the first boarding group, 1 through 30, 1 through 30 only.
Love you. Love you, Patrick.
I give up. I give up.